If you find that your walking feet aren't walking very high, I'm doing an adjustment here on a Juki LU-562. There's a few things you can try to adjust. There's a hole right here. Loosen this screw right here. And make sure this piece is all the way down. Then tighten it back up. Also, there's a screw right here that you can loosen. After that, make sure this piece right here, where the spring is all the way down. You can push down with your screwdriver. Then tighten that screw back up. I'm starting out with this nut all the way on the bottom position on this banana hinge. I'm going to bring the needle down to where it meets the needle plate. I'm going to loosen this screw up here. Bring this all the way down, make sure it's down, and tighten it back up. Let's see how it goes. Now it's starting to lift up a little more, but not that much. Let's make another adjustment here. Let's bring this banana. Let's loosen this wing nut here. Bring this up. I'm going to take it all the way to the top. Let's see what happens. Oop. So that won't even go all the way. So I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. Let's see if that helps. So maybe about a quarter of the way down. It still won't go. Let's bring it a little more down. It's about halfway on there. There we go. It's a decent lift. It's walking pretty well. Much better than it was before.